Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of grammar. Today we are going to start 12, chapter number 12, state verbs, simple present tense. In the previous lecture, we have seen about simple present tense, that what is the simple present tense, all of you know, the habits which we do regularly. Okay, the regularly which we habits do in our day-to-day life is called simple. We are using in simple present tense. State verbs means if we are doing something that shows the state of a verb, that is called state verb. Okay, so let us see what we have learned in the previous chapter. We have learned that actions like know, believe and think are the state of mind. Okay, we agree on that. Okay, verbs can describe action such as throw, run, walk, read, or states such as like, love, think and understand. These are all the states for verbs. Okay, so I know this song, GT plays this song. So this was about verb. Okay, verb can describe actions, okay, and states are referring to the state of mind. Okay, so know and play, these are the state verbs. Okay, play is an action verb and know is a state verb. Okay, now here we, in the previous lecture we have seen, if there is a continuous ing form is there, continuous form this, so it is incorrect. We will write in the simple form. Okay, we will not use the continuous tense here. This I like ice cream, I am liking ice cream, so we will not use the continuous form. Okay, we will remove the continuous form here. Okay, and we have seen the exercise A, three things that you like and you hate. I like stories, I hate power cuts. Like this you have to do in this exercise. Now state verbs, we have seen what is the state verbs. There are different state verbs we have studied. Verb showing feelings like love, hate, dislike, fear, need, want, wish and care. So these were the feelings which we are feeling. Okay, that we can feel. Okay, that is called verb. Okay, like we are liking something, love we are loving something, we hate something, we dislike something, we fear something, we need something and we want something, we wish for something and we care for our parents, teachers. Okay, so these are all the verbs showing feelings. Okay, so state verbs refers to feelings. Verbs of knowing, the verbs of knowing means know, think, feel, hope, doubt, believe, guess, agree, remember, forget, understand. So these are the knowing verbs. Okay, students, whenever you are thinking something, feeling something, if you have any doubt, okay, so these are the process of learning. Now next is verbs to describe. So these are all the verbs that used to describe: be, look, appear, like, seem. Okay, these are the verbs which used to describe something. Okay, what is be means what it used to be. Okay, so look, we can say to he looks like a hero, like that we can say. Appear, something appears in the middle of the road. Okay, for it describes the thing. Something huge appear in the middle of the road, so we can say appear. Like is there, seem. So as these verbs are used to describe a noun. Okay, verb showing position. Now this we have studied in the uh, previous chapters. Positions: have, own, belong, contain. So these are the four words that are used to show the belongings, show the possession or belongings. Okay, so you have to keep in mind while using these verbs. Okay, verbs to use these senses are see, hear, smell, taste and feel. So these are the words which are the senses which we use in our day to day life. We can see, hear, smell, taste, feel. Okay, like that. Okay, so state verbs do not have helping verbs. Okay, remember one thing, state verbs do not have helping verbs. Okay, so we have removed the helping verbs in the next exercise which we have seen. Okay, here liking is there, am liking, so we have removed the helping verb and ing format. Okay, so I like geography, this we have seen in the previous lecture. In the same way here also, I am understanding what my teacher says very easily. So here we also remove the helping verb and we have changed the understanding to understand. Okay, because it is in the continuous form. I understand what my teacher says very easily. Third one, this box is containing three different puzzles here. Now here we will remove the ing form and we will use this box contains three different puzzles. Okay, likewise we have to remove the continuous form. Okay, fourth one, the cake is smelling delicious. Delicious, all of you know, if it is a tasty thing we say delicious. Okay, so the cake smells delicious, so we have removed the helping verb and the ing here. Okay, fifth one, my teacher is feeling that I will become an artist. My teacher feels that I will become an artist. Here also helping verb is removed and feeling is removed with feels. Okay, John is having a pet rabbit. John has a pet rabbit. Okay, we have removed the helping verb and ing. Okay, so students, artist mean, what is the meaning of artist? Okay, if a painter is there or any artist who draws the picture. Okay, and pet rabbit, what is meaning of pet? You are keeping the pet at home, right? Dog or cat, you are putting that in your house, right? That's called pet. Okay, so John is having a pet rabbit, so he has put the rabbit as his pet. The animals which we keep in our house are called as pet here. Okay students, now we from moving ahead, see exercise. We will discuss what we have learned. We have learned the state verbs and the helping verbs. Okay, the helping verbs supports the main verb here, so keep in mind when using that. Okay, so fill in the blanks using suitable words from the brackets. Forget, have, taste, think, understand. Okay, I never dash my keys. So here what is the verb? Forget. I never forget my keys. So forget is there. I never forget my keys. They dash a big garden. They dash a party there. They have a big garden. They are having a party there. Now here students, have is there, but we have to use two times using the simple verb. First is having and there is are having. So this in here we will use the helping verb here, are having. Okay, so they have a big garden. They are having a party there. They have a big garden, we will say they having, not we will say they are having a party there. So ing word is used here. Okay. Third one, mangoes dash sweet. Sally dash one right now. Mango tastes sweet. How does the mangoes taste? Mango tastes sweet, so we'll use the verb as taste. Sally is tasting one right now. Sally is tasting one right now. Now here helping verb is used, so we will take the tasting here. You can see here it is repeated, have and having, taste, tasting. Okay, ing word are used. Okay, so you have to understand where to use. Okay, fourth one, he dash he can solve the problem. He dash about it just now. Now he thinks he can. What is the answer? He thinks. Think is there, you are using s here. Okay, thinks. He thinks he can solve the problem. Now here you can see third person is there, so we are using thinks. Okay, he thinks he can solve the problem. He is thinking about it just now. Okay, so here ing word is are used for a continuous pronunciation. Here you can see have a big garden. They are having a party there. So what they are having? Party. Okay, here you can see taste is there and Sally is testing one right now. So she is testing right now. Okay, so it is in the continuous format. he thinks he can solve the problem and he is thinking. So here continuous form is there, and always see here think and here thinks is there because he is the third person singular. Okay, so this was our lecture on chapter number 12. Let us quickly revise what we have understood in this chapter. So what we have learned state verbs in this chapter. Okay, and we have know that some actions such as know, believe, think, they are happening in the mind. Okay, we have also seen the action verbs such as throw, run, walk and read are the action words, and states are such as like, love, think and understand. These are all the verbs. I know this is the song, GT plays this song. So these are all the verbs here. I like ice cream, I am liking ice cream. Okay, so continuous form is not allowed in the simple present tense. Okay, in the first exercise we have seen I like story, I hate power cuts. In this we have to three things you have to mention which you like and three things that you hate. Remember to use simple present tense. Okay, in the simple present tense there is no continuous format, ing is not used. Okay, state verbs we have seen the verbs showing feelings, the verbs of knowing, verbs to describe and verbs showing position and verb used with sentence. These five things we have understood. Okay, we have learned in this chapter about these five things. You have to keep in mind the state verbs before starting the exercises. Okay, and state verb do not take helping verbs. If it is a helping verb then it is not a state verb here. Okay, if it is showing a feeling or knowing, any knowing verb is there, describing verb is there, possession verb is there, sense verb is there, then it is a state verb and there will be no helping verb. Okay, so here you can see I am having my lunch now because it conveys an action. However, state verbs convey an opinion. I have a cold. Okay, so state verbs gives an opinion, not a action. Okay, we have read this sentence correctly. Rewrite this sentence. We have changed here continuous form and we have written the state verbs here like, understand, contains, here smells is there and here feels is there. Okay, and John has a pet rabbit. So like this we have used and we have created the sentence in the correct format here. Okay students, now moving on our C exercise which we have learnt, we have to use the simple words in the bracket. In here we have used the word 2 times. I never forget my keys, so forget is written here 1 time. Okay, 2 blanks are there. Here we are using have and are having. So they have a big garden, they are having a party there. Okay, so here have is used and we are using are having. Okay, here no, there is in the continuous form, so this is not a state verb here. Okay, mango tastes sweet, Sally is tasting one right now and he thinks he can solve the problem is thinking. So think is thinking. Okay, so this was our chapter on lesson number 12, state verbs. Okay, so students, read this chapter whole again, and if you have query and regarding this question you can ask in the live class. Okay, so read all the verbs which are mentioned here. Okay, it is a very important talking about the state verbs. Okay, in the grammar section you have to remember what is the words representing feeling, knowing, describe, possession and sense. You have to read this and learn it. Okay, because if any words come you have to make the use of the state verbs here. Okay, and state verbs do not take helping verbs, so helping verb is not attested with the state verbs here. Okay, so this was our lecture on chapter number 12, state verbs. So students, read this chapter whole again, and if you have any query you can ask in the live class. So that's for all today now. Thank you and have a nice day.